Every Pringles chip begins far from the shelf, right here. Only potatoes meeting strict standards are accepted.
This is the first moment the factory touches the crop.
Speed matters, but control matters more. Quality begins with human judgment. Nothing is wasted, but not everything becomes a chip. Only the best move forward. Clean potatoes cook evenly. Moisture is controlled before the next step. For Pringles, the skin is no longer needed.
The texture is now ready.
Dry surfaces improve precision.
Steam peels faster and cleaner than knives.
Only the heart of the potato remains. Only the heart of the potato remains.
Now, the real transformation begins. Perfection starts with cleanliness. Cooking prepares the potato for shaping. Too soft becomes glue. Too hard breaks later. Consistency matters more than shape.
Smooth mash means smooth chips. Now the recipe comes into play.
This mash will soon become dough.
This mash is the foundation of every Pringles chip.
Starch gives strength without changing flavor.
This balance creates flexibility later. Seasoning begins early, not at the end.
Too much mixing damages structure.
This elasticity allows shaping.
Feel still matters in modern factories. Moisture decides crispness later. Every millimeter matters.
Uniform dough means uniform chips.
Thickness is controlled to fractions.
Nothing is wasted here.
Now, the shape is about to appear. Each chip shares the same form.
This curve is what makes Pringles different.
The chip now exists, but it is still soft.
Moisture must be reduced before frying.
Structure is now locked in.
Uniform shape ensures even cooking.
Heat is about to transform everything. The curve is protected during frying.
This moment creates crispness.
Too long burns, too short bends. Flavor comes next.
Crispness alone is not enough.
Flavor must reach every surface. Gentle movement protects the shape.
Each recipe follows a strict formula.
Small changes make big differences. Balance is visible. Waste is minimized.
Consistency keeps the line moving. Taste is never assumed.
One bite confirms the work.
Now, order replaces motion.
Now the chips must learn discipline.
Every curve supports the next. Uniform shape makes this possible. Freshness is locked in. Protection comes in layers. Now the product looks familiar. Identity is added last. Errors are removed quietly. Every can tells its history. Flow is restored. Order prepares them for travel. Only approved products continue. Before leaving the factory, every chip must earn its place. Nothing unsafe moves forward.
Every gram matters.
Freshness depends on closure. The can is built in seconds.
Air is the enemy of crispness.
Gravity does the final placement.
The chips are finally in order.
Sampling reveals what machines cannot taste.
Taste is the final judge.
Now the container meets its contents. Perfection is selective.
Consistency is the real success.
The journey nears its end. Once packed, the chips move together. Alignment prevents damage later. Machines repeat what humans plan. Protection begins before transport.
A simple test prevents loss.
Every pallet carries its identity. Soon, the chips will leave the factory.
Balance keeps everything safe.
Everything has a place.
Storage is part of the process.
This is controlled waiting. Movement must stay controlled. After approval, the chips prepare to leave. Care continues until the last moment.
From potatoes to perfectly stacked chips. Another cycle starts.
Production never truly stops. Movement must be controlled. Thanks for watching. The journey begins outside. Once sealed, nothing changes.